The 2004 Nissan Maxima. This four-door sedan is still under 75,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. With highway fuel economy of 28 miles per gallon, this vehicle won't drain your wallet at the pump. Top features include front bucket seats, a split folding rear seat, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, power windows, and air conditioning. Alloy wheels sit inside the fenders, yielding an attractive, well-proportioned stance. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment at our dealership.